nag-expect. Nag-expect na siya. Mas masaya.
like the way you do. Like harmony
Siluela!
in the key of the
To Andrea!
go together. You know I don't want anything else. I guess I'm alive because when you're gone, I just want more of you.
My favorite
Wow! Thank you! Thank you, bossing, sa payo mo.
Hi, love! Thank you dito sa gift. Matagal ko nang gustong bilhin to and you gave it to me. Love you.
I believe in destiny and that God gave you to me. The path that we crossed was not that easy. It was like a roller coaster ride. Yet here we are, standing in front of each other, holding each other's hand, together with our family and friends, as we start our journey to forever.
Thank you for being so generous.
China all.
China.
Binigyan kita.
Love you.
Always taking care of us.
Yeah.
Ako, thank you kasi ginawa ko supplementary sa credit card.
Oh.
I love you mga anak. Kasi nang mawala si Papa,
Naglaban niya.
sabi niya, he can replace him.
Listen to me now, babe. I want you to the bone. I want you to the bone.
Sol, love, sa wakas, ito na ang araw na ating pinapangarap. Ang makasal sa iyo ay tunay na biyaya mula sa may kapal. Taong mapagmahal, maunawain, maalaga at laging nagsasabi ng, "Kape, love." Nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil sa kabila ng mga hamon sa ating buhay at relasyon ay nanatili tayong matatag, magkasama at nagmamahalan.
But I didn't mean it before. I want you to the bone. I want you to.
Both of you will exert effort para palalimin at patibayin ang pagmamahalan. So hindi lamang sa pangmaterial na bagay kayong magkatulong, pati pang-espiritual, pangkalooban, magkatuwang kayo sa pagpapaunlad ng buhay, pamilya.
Not so for sure, I'm already yours. Would that be alright?
Irvine, did you come here may on free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Sol, did you come here of free will to bind yourself forever in the love of service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Salamat. Dito kayo nagpakasal sa simbahan. Hindi basta kayo nagsama o sa civil. Anong ibig niyong tanggapin ang sakramento ng kasal? Nangangahulugan na kayo sumasampalataya at nagmamahal sa Diyos. At may dahilan ng Diyos. Ang sabi, makasama. So, hindi panandalian, kung hindi, forever.
Maybe we choose the only love we know we won't accept. Maybe
You are my compass, for you gave my life a direction. I will always be your Miss Sol, and you will always be my Sir Irving. Thank you for always making me happy, for taking care of me, and for always knowing what I want and what I need. Thank you for everything. Wala na akong hihingin pa. Ang mahalin lang ng isang ikaw ay sapat na.
Sol, do you take Irving your present for your lawful husband according to the right of Holy Mother of the Church?
I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
I do.
Irving, do you take Sol your present for your lawful wife according to the right of Holy Mother of the Church?
I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful wife?
I do.
You are my best friend, my confidant, my lover, my favorite enemy, my food buddy, my number one critic, my Netflix buddy, and my happy pill.
Hindi madali ang buhay pamilya. Oo, hindi madali. Pero kapag kakasama nyo si Kristo sa buhay mag-asawa, kaya niyong pagtagumpayan ang lahat. Congratulations.
in the half-light of our goodbyes, trying to make it right, trying. You're the afterglow in the falling snow. Floating like you know we're
Solis, mag-ingat ka. Good luck and God bless on your wedding day. Magpakabait ka. Mahalin mo si Ervin. At dapat mahalin ka rin ni Ervin.
Can we find a way? Mountain frozen days, watch 'em fade away. We're changing on your shifting sea. My consistency.
I promise to love you, honor you, respect you, and choose you until the last breath of my life. I love you always and forever, at ikaw ang pipiliin habang buhay.
pagkakataong ang kilig ay mapalitan ng pagtatampo, sa araw na ang buhok natin ay puti na at balat ay kulubot na. Panghabang buhay na pangako ko na araw-araw ay ang pipiliin ay ikaw.